Hey guys, I've got a hexagon pattern for you today. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that I won't be including any diamond patterns within my shape series because I already have a full playlist of diamond patterns, so be sure to check that out. Okay, let's get started. Using the two middle chords, tie a double half-hitch knot. Working to the right, tie 3 more double half-hitch knots. Using the 4 chords on the right, tie 6 alternating half square knots, or 3 alternating square knots. Repeat that same process on the left side of your work. With the 4 middle chords, tie a square knot that is in line with the middle of the square knots on the sides of your work. Using the 3rd chord on the left as your filler chord, tie 3 double half-hitch knots moving to the center of your work. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie 1 more double half-hitch knot to connect the 2 sides. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.